Welcome to the world of The Nightingale by Kristen Hanna, an epic tale set amidst the turmoil of World War II in German-occupied France. In this sprawling narrative, we follow the lives of two sisters, Vianne and Isabelle, as they navigate the treacherous landscape of war and resistance, love and loss. Join us as we embark on a journey through the heart-wrenching trials and triumphant moments that define their extraordinary lives. The setting of war-torn France. Step into the richly atmospheric setting of war-torn France, where the idyllic countryside is marred by the brutal realities of Nazi occupation. Kristen Hanna's vivid prose transports us to a world where fear and uncertainty reign, where every shadow could conceal danger, and where the resilience of the human spirit is put to the ultimate test. Against this backdrop of turmoil and strife, the characters of The Nightingale must confront their deepest fears and summon the courage to fight for what they hold dear. Vianne's story, the struggle for survival. Enter the world of Vianne Mauriac, a devoted wife and mother whose life is irrevocably changed by the onset of war. As the Nazis tighten their grip on France, Vianne finds herself thrust into a desperate struggle for survival, forced to make impossible choices to protect her family and preserve their way of life. Follow her journey as she grapples with loss, fear, and uncertainty, drawing on her inner strength and resilience to endure the darkest of days. Isabelle's journey, courage in the face of danger. Against the backdrop of war, another story unfolds, that of Isabelle Rossignol, Vianne's rebellious younger sister, whose fiery spirit refuses to be extinguished by the horrors of Nazi occupation. Determined to make a difference in the fight against fascism, Isabelle joins the French resistance, risking her lifetime and again to sabotage the enemy and aid those in need. Through her daring exploits and unwavering resolve, Isabelle emerges as a symbol of courage and defiance in the face of tyranny. Themes of love, sacrifice, and resilience. At its core, The Nightingale is a story about the enduring power of love, the profound sacrifices made in the name of family and freedom, and the resilience of the human spirit in the face of adversity. As we delve deeper into the themes of the novel, we discover the ways in which love can both sustain and devastate, how sacrifice can be both a burden and a blessing, and how resilience can emerge from the unlikeliest of places. The impact of war on ordinary lives. In the crucible of war, ordinary lives are forever altered, and The Nightingale bears witness to the profound ways in which conflict reshapes the destinies of its characters. From the shattered illusions of youth to the shattered bonds of family, from the depths of despair to the heights of courage, we witness the full spectrum of human emotion and experience. Through the lens of Vianne and Isabelle's journey, we gain insight into the universal truths of love, loss, and the enduring power of hope. The legacy of The Nightingale. As we reach the conclusion of our exploration of The Nightingale, we are left with a profound sense of awe at the resilience of the human spirit and the enduring power of love to triumph over even the darkest of times. Kristen Hanna's masterful storytelling has left an indelible mark on readers around the world, reminding us of the capacity for compassion, courage, and sacrifice that lies within us all. As we bid farewell to Vianne and Isabelle, may their story serve as a timeless reminder of the strength that can be found in the most unexpected of places.